Hi, Shoebox friends. Today is Flag Day, and our nation's 250th birthday celebration is right around the corner. So I thought it would be a fun way to celebrate America through shoeboxes. Today I'm sharing two Florida-inspired shoeboxes, which is my home state, and I also want to challenge you to join in on the Pack My State Challenge. As we celebrate our nation's 250th birthday, what better way to show gratitude for our country than by sharing a little piece of our home with children around the world? Whether it's your state's wildlife, landmarks, traditions, or something else that makes it special, I'd love to see how you represent your state in a shoebox. So let's see what this challenge is all about. Last year, the United States sent 10.9 million Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes around the world. That's an incredible number. Today, I'm launching the Pack My State Challenge. Can we represent all 50 states through shoeboxes? You can pack a shoebox for any age or gender and include a few items that represent your home state. Maybe if you live in Kansas, you add sunflower-themed items. Or Georgia could include peach-themed items. Maybe Colorado has a mountain theme, or Maine a woodland creature theme, and Texas could have some cowboy items. Then share your shoebox in the OCC Facebook groups using the hashtag PackMyState, or email me a picture by July 1st. I'll feature your shoeboxes in an upcoming patriotic video, and we'll see which states are the most represented, and I'll pick one winner for the most uniquely packed state-themed shoebox. And if you live in a different part of the world, please feel free to join in and pack a box representing your own home country or province. We're all in this together. Also, I've uploaded this free lid design to the Files tab in the OCC Shoebox Packers Facebook group if you'd like to use it in your shoebox, and you can color in your own home state to show the child where the shoebox came from. Okay, without further ado, let's open up these two Florida-themed shoeboxes, and they're very different in what's inside. One is for a 5 to 9-year-old boy, and one is for a 2 to 4-year-old girl. So let's start with Natural Florida, and we're going to open up this alligator and reptile-themed boy box. So I didn't attach the lid design yet because I wanted to show you the back of it. I laminated it and I included a note and our family picture on the back. So I'll just tape this onto the lid and he'll be able to remove it easily, and then he'll have also this personalized note and photo from us as well. You don't have to do that, you can just leave it as the lid design like this, but I thought that would be a fun way to add a little bit more information on the back. I did talk about alligators on his. And I also included a French translation because a lot of my shoeboxes go to French-speaking African nations. Here is his shoebox. It is a regular shoebox that I had on hand, and I ended up reinforcing it a little bit with some red duct tape. And I just used wrapping paper. I cut out a rectangle here to fit on the lid, and just used Mod Podge to attach it there and kind of seal it on top to cover up the brand of shoes. I did have a little sticker here. He could be a dinosaur, but I'm going to say he's an alligator. So I just kind of decorated my shoebox in a simple way, and I'll open it up and show you what's inside this Florida-themed reptile shoebox. When he opens up his shoebox, here's what's on the inside. Right on top is his first reptile. There are a lot of lizards in Florida. They just hang out everywhere. When you walk through the grass, they kind of scatter. So when I found this squishy, stretchy lizard from the Dollar Tree, I thought he was perfect. I left him in the packaging so he wouldn't get anything gooey or messy. But I think a 5 to 9-year-old boy will enjoy this. And he does have some Florida-themed coloring pages. I made this coloring book myself. So right on top is the Florida map, and it does have an alligator and some of the other animals and just landmarks and things that we're known for here. So I do have some alligator pages. A lot of these came from mondaymandala.com, which is a great website to find coloring pages for free. Of course, we have beaches here in Florida, and we have NASA and the Kennedy Space Center. So you got some rockets. We also have manatees in our freshwater springs, which are really neat to see. Of course, we have Mickey Mouse here in Florida, some oranges, dolphins leaping in the ocean, or if you go to SeaWorld. If you're in South Florida, you might have iguanas everywhere, and they do fall from trees when it gets really cold. And you probably see sandhill cranes walking down the street if you live in Florida. So I just tried to think of some classic things to include in his Florida coloring book. He also has a green notebook for school and a green pencil pack. I went kind of with a green theme since it's alligator and reptiles. So I'll show you what's on the inside here. He does have a little alligator eraser as well. His wow gift is this alligator plush. This was a Valentine's Day plush, and he was definitely under $1. I think he might have only been about 29 cents. So a great deal. I've had him since last year, and I knew I wanted to do an alligator box. So it's finally his time to travel around the world. And my daughter actually made this adorable snake. She crocheted it, and she did several, so I sent a few of them as fillers. But this one I just thought was too cute. So he is another plush item and could be considered the other wow plush for this little boy. So he's getting a snake and a alligator. There's also this hand puppet, and this I think was from IKEA. It was a 3-pack. So there was also a zebra, and I forget the other animal now. But it's a very sweet little alligator puppet. I think it's a great item to include for creative play, and I think this little boy will enjoy having an alligator hand puppet. To go along with the iguanas of South Florida, I put this little squeezy, squishy toy from Dollar Tree in there. He also has a snake to play with. I'm sure that will be a lot of fun for him, and hopefully he doesn't scare his mom. But this was from Walmart, and it's very flexible and just easy to pack in a shoebox. I also had a little alligator toy here. It's kind of like just a little bath toy type item, but another extra alligator to add in. This here is a Hot Wheel that I think it's either an alligator or a dinosaur. Oh, it says Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. So it's supposed to be a dinosaur, but we're going to call it an alligator. And I just thought it was a neat looking vehicle for this little boy. So I left it in the packaging for him to see kind of just, I like the design here. That's his Hot Wheel. This toy here I recently found at Dollar Tree with their summer items, and I did test it out. It shoots pretty well. So it's a little ball strike ball popper, and you just load these little yellow balls in here, and once you pump it, they shoot out. I also included some stickers here of little creatures that you can find in Florida, plus some sports cars. I just thought those were fun. And here's some more of the animals. So they are pretty cute and should be fun for him. He has this little glider that he can put together, and I thought since Florida is a big tourist destination, there's always airplanes flying overhead. This is a little handheld fan that can unfold. I'll leave it folded up for now, but it was at a parade, one of our local parades, and it has our town on there with some fun images, so I thought that was appropriate. I found this sweet book at Dollar Tree. It's a Little Blessings You Are Always Near book, and it has an alligator on the front, and it just goes through some prayers that the child can read, and I thought it was just a great book to add into this shoebox. He has a hygiene pack, and it has a green toothbrush, a green cross, Band-Aids, a washcloth, 2 nail files, a sticker that says Jesus loves you. He has a pack of crayons. This here is a shirt that I got at Children's Place. It's a size 10-12. And it's really colorful. It has this neat image on there of an alligator jumping up out of the water. So I had to include that. He's also getting a larger bouncy ball. I try to include some type of ball in my shoe boxes, and these are great to tuck in. They're larger than a normal bouncy ball, so a good size, and I got these on Amazon. I had an extra little spot in there for a flashlight. So this one here is a hand crank flashlight. And in Florida, you need to know if there's any critters lurking around. So light is always good at night. And on the bottom is another little journal that he can write in. And it has this really cute image of an alligator, I think, with a little bird on top of its head. So another great source for paper, and just a really cute, he can use it as a journal or for school. So here are all the items in my boy 5 to 9-year-old natural Florida themed shoebox with all sorts of different Florida wildlife for him to play with, and hopefully he enjoys his gifts. So let's move on now to my 2 to 4-year-old girl box, which is a little bit more touristy Florida themed. And of course, we're going to go with Disney World. Okay, here is my 2 to 4 girl shoebox. And this is a Minnie and Mickey Mouse themed shoebox. Disney World is a huge part of Florida and our tourist industry. And also there's other theme parks that bring in a lot of tourists as well. I have quite a few activity books for this little girl. She has this sweet mini coloring book. A lot of adorable pictures. She has a primary composition book for school. It's a good one for her age group. I just found this dot-to-dot activity and coloring book from Ollie's. It was only 99 cents, and it has a lot of cute pictures that she can connect the dots. It's also good for number practice. And then she can color in the pictures. It does come with stickers as well with different characters. And then these items here were a different set that I had that comes with markers. They're in the shoebox already, but she can color these different posters. And this one here is kind of shimmery. And then I also included some Florida pictures, not as many as the 5 to 9-year-old boy, but I did include several for her to color. So that should keep her busy with a lot of activities. Her wow gift is this really cute and shimmery Minnie Mouse plush. It's a Squishmallow, and it's, I believe, for the 100-year anniversary of Disney. So she's really sweet and not too large for a shoebox. She was able to fit with a lot of other items as well. But this is the wow plushie for this little girl. I love to include lays right on top. They're easy to add in at the end and kind of fill in all the extra little gaps in the shoebox. So she has a red lay. Then in her cup here, this is a Mickey and Minnie Mouse cup. She's getting 2 balls. One is a Minnie Mouse theme, and the other has Mickey on there. So she has Mickey and Minnie. I think those both were from Dollar Tree. I also tucked in a little pearl necklace for her. I thought that was appropriate with Minnie Mouse. So that all was in her cup. She has several of these little air dry clay heart-shaped containers. These are from Valentine's Day at Dollar Tree. So I gave her quite a few. And she can just make some different items with them. Hopefully that's a fun little extra toy. She has 2 pair of underwear. as well as a pair of socks. And at the bottom is a really cute outfit, so we're not quite there yet. She's also getting a clay bead bracelet here with a cross. Dollar Tree had 2 of these Minnie and Mickey theme race cars or vehicles, so I thought that was really cute and perfect for a 2 to 4-year-old to push around and have fun with. She's getting some heart-themed items. This is a little book that's perfect for little hands, and it just has some cute images on the inside for her to look at. This was also from Ollie's. There's a heart little notebook here. It says you and me, and I thought that was cute with the Minnie and Mickey theme, and it's just extra paper for her to draw on. She has her hygiene pack, her school supply pouch, and I'll show you here what's inside. She's getting some very stylish Minnie Mouse sunglasses. I think these were $1 at Walmart. Here is her really cute dress. This was also fairly inexpensive several months ago now at Walmart. And it has Minnie Mouse, and I think it's Figaro is her cat. So this was a size 4T. It's a longer sleeved dress, but I think it'll be adorable for this 2 to 4-year-old girl. I'm also giving her a big pink hair bow to go with her dress, just like Minnie Mouse has a big hair bow on there. And some leggings to go under her dress. These are size 4T as well. She has a double hole sharpener. I did include a larger pencil in her pencil pack. These jumbo crayons I found on sale after Christmas. And then these markers here came with some of the activity pages in a little set. This is adorable. It's part of a set. Came with a Mickey Mouse as well that I already included in a filler pack. But here is Minnie Mouse, and I just tied a ribbon around her to keep her in while she's being transferred in a shoebox. But she also has a little blanket here, and this is her bed, so she can sleep in the bed. But just a cute extra toy, an extra little plush for this little girl, and this is what she looks like outside of her bed. And here are all the items in my 2 to 4-year-old girl Mickey and Minnie Mouse Disney themed shoebox. Definitely a part of Florida that many of us enjoy going to. Thanks so much for joining me today as I packed 2 Florida themed shoeboxes. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite, and I can't wait to see what you come up with for your own home states. So until next week, God bless and happy packing. Bye.